And now, guys, I'm going to do a nice bonus segment for you guys out there. And I'm going to play it on the emulator here. It's MTV's remote control. Now, while I was playing this off camera, I was winning the game. We'll hope I can continue that. I want this guy right here. Whatever his name is, okay? I'm Billy, whoever that is. Alright, let's start with channel 5. The back channel, okay? These days, he's always telling us to make the right choice, but he used to play cowboy villain. Shame on Batman. Who was he? I'm gonna go with Cliff Robinson. Nipsey Russell and Charleston Heston didn't make sense. We're gonna get out of that one. Let's do channel 7. The Bon Jovi channel, okay? When gorgeous rockman John Bon Jovi wants to trot Superbike through the highest mountains in the world, which mountain range does he go to? Himalayas. I'm gonna go with the Himalayas. I want a good channel though. I'm happy that I got 10 points, but I want a good channel. Let's go to channel 6 now. The Bewitched channel, okay? Darren and Samantha have a war god son to keep their witch daughter company. What's the son's name? Damien, Adam, or Joey? I'm gonna go with Joey. No, it's not Joey. So I guess it's Adam. Alright, that's okay. He's still on the Bewitched channel, okay? On Bewitched, he was arrested for assaulting a cop, but he was the first known as the father of our country. Name him. It's George Washington, no duh. Let's finish that category, the Bewitched channel. Mutilated Lisa Hartman played what Bewitched character in a late 70s spinoff? Samantha, Dora, or Tabitha? It's Tabitha. Up to 35 points. Alright, go to another channel. Channel 2. Beat the Bishop. Okay, it's a math problem. Your problem for today is 3 times 6 is 19 times 9 times 12. Wait a minute, I didn't get it. Well, I couldn't beat the Bishop, so what? That was impossible. Okay, let's do channel 3. Reruns. Okay, I should be good at this one. On Laverne and Shirley, what was Squiggy's first name? Albert, Andrew, or Arthur? I'm gonna go with Andrew. I'm in the lead anyway, 40 points. Let's keep with reruns. Before he married Mindy, where did Mark sleep? On Minnie's roof? In Mindy's attic? I'm gonna say in the attic. Yeah. Let's finish that category off, reruns. The Ricardos and Mertz's buy a diner and split it in half. The Mertz's side says American. What does the Ricardo side say? Don't eat it. Okay. It will be Cuba. Because Ricky Ricardo is from Cuba. Alright, let's go with Channel 1. Still more MTV, okay? Run DMC may have saved this band of Boston bad boys by covering their tune Walk This Way. Name them. I'm gonna go with Aerosmith. $70 points. Alright, let's go with Channel 4. The Elvis Channel. In a song made famous by the king, you can knock me down, step on my face, slander my name all over the place, burn my house, steal my car, drink my cider from my old fruit jar. But what do you have to lay off of? His loose waist, his girlfriend? I'm gonna go with his shoes. That was a long question. Alright, 75 points. I'm gonna go Elvis again. The Elvis Channel. According to the Elvis catalog, which is more valuable? Teddy bear perfume or hound dog orange lipstick or an Elvis pocket watch? Teddy bear perfume. No, that's not it. That's my first miss in a little while. We keep going. The Elvis Channel for 15 points. When Elvis got discovered, he worked for Crown Electric Company doing what job? Washing floors, driving a truck, or wiring home? I think washing floors? No. Driving a truck. It's worth a guess. You get a 1/3 shot every time on this game. Now the Bat Channel, okay? Which Batman character was actually Batgirl's father? Police Commissioner Gordon, Alfred the Butler, or the Joker? I'm gonna go with Alfred. Alfred. No, it's not Alfred. Okay, it's Police Commissioner Gordon. It's been a long time since I watched a Batman. And snap break time. So I'm still in the lead with 75 points. Look like a lot of popcorn there. Going on. Odd Couple, okay. Felix and Oscar were contestants on 2 different game shows. Of the following, what was not one of them? To tell the truth, Password, Let's Make a Deal. Let's Make a Deal. Oh, they were on Let's Make a Deal. I know they were on Password. I guess it's To Tell the Truth. Shucks. They're catching up. Here we go. Odd Couple again. Speed, Roy, Vinny, and Oscar love getting together with their aunties and playing what game? Darts, poker, or craps? It's poker. I can imagine. Let's finish the Odd Couple. Of the following, what is not the name of one of Felix's kids? Leonard, Mark, or Edna? I'll try that. Edna? No. It's Mark. And he just got 30 points. They're catching up. Down 6, Ranger Bob. And he's losing 10 points. Yep. Cost him 10 points there. MTV, here we go. How many arms does the drummer from Motley Crue have? None, 1, or 2? It's 2. Alright, let's go with channel 2. Still more reruns. We love that category. On My Three Sons, when Cranky Bub croaked, what even crankier uncle came to take care of Douglas Brood? Ernie, Uncle Charlie? Uncle Ernie? Nope. Now these questions are getting difficult. Uncle Charlie. Alright. Going back to still more reruns. On what Mod 60s comedy series could you have been awarded a Flying Fickle Finger of Fate award? Laughing, The Mod Squad, or Hee Haw? Hee Haw! No. It's Laughing. Obviously before my time. Now they're catching up. Still more reruns. What was the name of the car on the Dukes of Hazzard? The General Lee, the General... I know this one. It's the General Lee. Let's go with Channel 1. The Brady Network, there we go. Which Brady developed a fear of heights after falling off a treehouse? Bobby, Peter, Cindy. I think it was Bobby. Yes. Let's continue with Brady. The Brady Network. According to the reunion movie, the Brady girls get married. Alex and her longtime meat-cutting boo are now happily married. What husband's first name? It's Sam. 165 points. Now I'm pulling away. Let's finish that category. The Brady Network. Which Brady once got a smashed up... Okay, I got this one. Marsha, Marsha, Marsha. Seen that episode 1,000 times. Alright, now I want to go to Channel 4. All in the Family, okay? At what public event was Archie once arrested? A public hanging, a protest rally, or a supermarket? A protest rally. Remember that episode? $205 points. Let's continue with All in the Family. Of the following, which is not an object from All in the Family that is now kept in the Smithsonian Institute? Archie's chair, Archie's slippers, or Archie's beer can? I'm gonna go with his slippers. Yep. 225. Let's do another one. All in the Family. Jerome Cunningham would bend over backward for his pal Archie. What was Jerome's nickname? Stretch, Bendo, or the Reacher? It's Stretch. $255 points. Let's go to channel 3. The Cosby Show. Okay. On Cosby, she's the mother of the Huxtable clan and Cliff's loving wife. But can you name Felicia Rashad's real life husband? I know this one. Ahmad Rashad. They're divorced now. $265. Let's continue it. The Cosby Show. On Cosby, name the college that Cliff, Claire, and Russell Huxtable graduated from. We know it's Hillman College. $285 points. I'm going to stick with the Cosby Show. And we're off the air. That's the end of the round. So Freddie is off the show. Get the hell out of here. Right, he wasn't doing anything. Okay. And that concludes the game. And I win the game with 335 points. So that concludes the game. I managed to pull it off with 335 points. And guys, I hope you enjoyed my playing of remote control. Guys, be safe, be careful, take care of everybody.